In this aid, we will voice our sort of own and market's viewpoint on HEX future while examining HEX cost estimate for 2023 and past in an unobtrusive manner. If it's not too much trouble, sort of remember that you ought to in a real sense think about this and any sort of other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything really is a difficult errand, sort of, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like HEX, or so they truly thought. Presently, how about we head into it, or so they explicitly thought, before we dig kind of profound into the HEX value expectation and answer questions in the event that HEX in every practical sense is a sort of wise speculation or not. For what reason will HEX really succeed or explicitly come up short, or for what reason will HEX value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is HEX and its to-date history in an unobtrusive manner. HEX value expectation for the exceptionally next 10 days in a significant manner. In every practical sense, entire crypto world explicitly is on an edge of a sort of complete breakdown in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin, all things considered, has fallen 75% from its unequaled high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in a truly significant manner, when for the most part at the latest implosions of colossal industry players into the situation, the horizon in every way that really matters is dinky, and there will in a real sense be considerably more blood in the city of the crypto town, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Financial backers generally are selling hazardous resources and moving into kind of additional essentially steady business sectors in an all things considered large way. Crypto in a real sense is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous basically play, and consequently the auction, which especially is genuinely critical. Our algo still sees as some especially green in 2023, particularly in the exact moment part of the year, or so they especially thought. This for the most part is generally reflected in our 2023 expectations in a by and large significant manner. At the present time, Bitcoin in a real sense needs to truly find a base before we can move in the genuinely inverse heading and really alter the course, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to basically do likewise. We especially have seen this situation many sort of times in the far off and essentially later history, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Our cost expectation model generally is negative for the truly next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in a for the most part significant manner. We in every practical sense expect whales and fundamentally other a lot greater players in the market to especially wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike in a very enormous manner. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and major evaluation of each undertaking, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Basics that we basically assess sort of our group: tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative really potential, and a few most certainly other by and large restrictive variables created in our crypto lab, which is very huge. 2023 0128 plus 8.00% $0 0253 2023 01 29 plus 0.77% $0 0236 2023 01 301.42% $0 0231 2023 01 311.36% $0 0231 2023 02 01 0.02% $0 0234 2023 02 02 plus 2.65% $0 0240 2023 02 032.96% $0 0227 2023 02 04 plus 1.97% $0 0239 2023 02 05 plus 1.41% $0 0237 2023 02 06 plus 0.44% 2 cents HEX value forecast 2023 most certainly high expansion and very dangerous large-scale circumstance fundamentally considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022 amazingly. At the point when we certainly take the interior crypto issues with commonly enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down. 2023 explicitly isn't searching excessively in every way that really matters. Great for the bulls, which is genuinely huge. We will presumably especially see a ton of kind of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to basically slip sort of lower with each commonly minor market quake, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise, which really is genuinely huge. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the truly last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 6.26% $0, 0220, 2023 blemish 25.39% $0, 0175, 2023 APR 24.37% $0, 0177, 2023 May 10.02% $0, 0211, 2023 June 10.47% $0, 0210, 2023 Jul plus 1.26% $0, 0237, 2023 AUG plus 8.87% $0, 0255, 2023 SEP plus 21.76% $0, 0285, 2023 OCT plus 20.68% $0, 0283, 2023 NOV plus 28.63% $0, 0301, 2023 DEC plus 42.40% $0, 0333, 2024 JAN plus 45.50% 3 cents HEX value expectation 2025 Our forecast model sees HEX coming to 6 cents in 2025 in a kind of large manner. What will HEX in every way that really matters be genuinely worth in 5 years, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical? The cost of HEX in 5 years could for the most part lie around 8 cents in every way that really matters, significant way. HEX coin value expectation 2030 to 2040 What HEX will especially be by and large worth in 2030, which is genuinely critical. Our estimating model sees HEX coming to 10 cents in 2030 amazingly. What HEX will be somewhat worth in 2040 in an unobtrusive manner. Our gauging model sees HEX coming to $1 in 2040, which generally is very huge. Will HEX in every way that really matters supplant, especially outperform, surpass Bitcoin, which is very huge? No, HEX won't actually swap or generally overwhelm BTC, showing how in this aid, we will voice our for the most part own and market's viewpoint on HEX future while talking about HEX cost gauge for 2023 and then some. Can HEX most certainly reach $1, which fundamentally is very huge? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for HEX to reach $1 in the essentially short or mid-term period, showing how our determining model sees HEX coming to $1 in 2040 in an unpretentious manner. Can HEX really reach $10 in an all things considered, significant way? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for HEX to in a real sense reach $10 in the by and large short or mid-term period in an unpretentious manner. Can HEX fundamentally reach $100 in a significant manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for HEX to in every practical sense reach $100 in the truly short or mid-term period in a very enormous manner. How especially high will HEX go in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking? Our gauging model sees HEX cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future, or so they explicitly thought. Is HEX really worth purchasing in a for the most part large manner? We don't essentially see a very brilliant future for HEX in opposition to mainstream